Hey guys, in this video I will give you 10 tips and tricks on how to play Monopoly Go the best. So the first one is create an alt account. First things first, try creating another account to play with. Imagine you need teammates but your friends are busy. Having another account is like having a reliable buddy that's always ready to help. Team up with yourself and conquer the Monopoly world together. Alright, now let's talk about the second one, and that is landmark rush events. Instead of upgrading everything at once, wait for the special event. This way you get an extra dice and money for each upgraded landmark. It's like saving up for a big celebration. Patience pays off. Alright, the third one. When swapping stickers, be careful. Choose star boxes first. They are like a treasure chest with awesome dice and packs. Also, if you want to trade cards, head to the Monopoly Go Facebook page. But watch out for scammers. Ask for proof to make sure if it's a fair trade. The fourth one. Railroad mini game magic. The railroad mini game is a big deal. If your opponent has all their shields up, try switching opponents for better rewards. It's like choosing the best path to get the most goodies. Be smart about it. The fifth one is login loot. Don't forget about login rewards. Every 8 hours, check the shop for more free dice and packs and money. It's like getting a surprise gift regularly. Who doesn't love that? Alright, let me turn on auto roll. And now number 6. During special events like Christmas in July or events in July, grab those free offers. It's like a party where you get cool bonuses and exclusive stuff. Don't miss out. It's a Monopoly celebration. Tournament tips. Number 7. To be a Monopoly champion, understand tournaments. Check the tournament info to know where the points come from. Whether it's utilities, textiles, or shutdowns, knowing the rules helps you play better. Number 8. Boost your rewards by leveling up strategically. Alright, I don't know how to pronounce that word. Strategically. If you're close to a milestone but waiting for an event, spend a bit of Monopoly money to reach the next level. It's like a shortcut to more rewards. Number 9. Be social in the game. Target opponents, rob banks, and interact with others to open community chests. It's like making friends and enemies for extra chances at epic packs, fun, and rewards. Double win. Embrace the fun. Lastly, it's okay if you don't finish everything. Monopoly Go is a game, and games are meant to be fun. Don't stress if you can't do everything. Enjoy the game for what it is. Right. So there you have it. Your ultimate guide to mastering Monopoly Go with these 10 simple strategies. If you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button and share your own tips in the comments below. Alright, I hope this video was helpful, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.